Hello everyone and welcome to this course. Guys, in this course we are going to understand how we can leverage the power of Meta Business Suite and can manage our business on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, all of these apps including WhatsApp. Alright, so what we are going to learn in this course is how to operate the Meta Business Suite application, the business manager, and how well we can run the first ad for our business. Alright, so this is going to be centered around how we can create our ads, how we can optimize our ad, how we can scale our ads. Okay, and we will also be seeing a few tips and tricks of how we can basically manage our entire business model and make it profitable using the meta ads. So it was basically called Facebook ads and separately as Instagram ads and probably the messenger ads as well, but now within in last few months it has completely modeled itself to meta ads. All right, so let's go through first of all the entire landing page from Facebook's ends and understand what all things are being provided to us and what are the features of this Meta Business Suite. So as you can see, it says manage all of your business activity on Facebook, Messenger and Instagram from one place with Meta Business Suite. So this is going to be a centralized place wherein we'll be operating all our business assets, management, medias, everything, including the ads, and we are gonna efficiently run them, make it profitable, and basically manage our entire advertising and marketing through this panel. Okay, now let's go through the entire overview. What is Meta Business Suite? Meta Business Suite is a one-stop shop where you can manage all of your marketing and advertising activities on Facebook and Instagram. It centralizes tool that helps you connect with your customers on all apps and get a better business results. Now, we'll not go down to the entire details, but I hope you understood that this is a no-brainer that what we are doing, trying to do over here is leverage meta ads to make sure that we are profitable in our businesses. All right. Now, there would be a few case studies and everything. We'll look at it maybe a few videos down the line. What we can do is we can post across Facebook and Instagram. Now with Meta Business Suite we can publish feed post stories on both Facebook and Meta and Instagram without switching application. So this is one of the important things. We can also use a centralized inbox to manage both of those. We can create ads, track and understand how the trends are working, which of the things are working for us, which of the things are not working for us. So all of those things will also be seen. We'll also have a particular dashboard to understand all of that is going within our entire business suite. Okay, so we'll be understanding that how we can figure out which of the ads are working through A/B testing probably, and so all of those kinds of split testing will also be worked upon. All right, so these were the things that we needed to look at. If you are at this link, facebook.com/business/tools Meta Business Suite, this is the only part of link that you should consider. Okay, and if you go at this, you can also review a few case studies and the get started tutorial to understand how the entire thing works. Okay, now it has the Meta Business Suite also has application for iOS and Android. You can use those as well. It is always good. I prefer it personally to basically run the ads through the desktop and probably manage and keep a track on how the ads are doing through the mobile devices. All right. So let's go through a few more details. Get to know Meta Business Suite with free courses from Meta Blueprint. So you can also go down and do the courses that has been posted by Meta. These are all lengthy and extended courses, but the best thing about these are that you go down to individual sets of information. However, if you are looking at a fast-paced course that explains you the entire concepts very quickly and are only applicable to the businesses that you are trying to run, either it's a digital product or it's a physical product, and it's better if you are based in India. So the course that I will be creating will be a more focused one. But anyways, it's always good thing if you are trying to learn the Facebook meta ads for your job applications or you are trying to learn it to be a digital marketer, it would always be good to make sure that you cover all the blueprint basics that has been posted by Meta, because there are a huge number of changes that are being on a daily basis. So all of the courses found in the market, including on Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare, all of those websites, it may not be that fast, because ultimately if Facebook is releasing content and features, then they would have the tutorials first. All right. So there are a few tips and tricks, and there are some few help articles. I hope you would go through those and you'll get a particular idea. But it's a no-brainer that Meta applications, Meta ads are here to help us expand our businesses and make sure that we run profitable marketing campaigns. All right, so in the next video we are going to see at the login procedure, we are going to see if in case we have to create a particular account, then how can we do that, and what are the first dashboard that we are going to see, and how we are going to run our first ad. All right, so thank you for this video. I'll see you in the next one.